There are two types of data type in Java. One is primitive data type. Data type is non-primitive. What is non-primitive? Now, primitive data type, we have Boolean, we have character, char, then we have byte, then we have short, then we have int, long, float and double. These are the primitive data. Boolean represent true and false. It takes 1 bit of memory. 1 bit of memory. Character used to represent single character. Single character. It is always enclosed in single quotation mark. It can be any digit also, where anything enclosed in single quotation mark is known as character data. It takes 2 bytes. 2 bytes of memory. One character, it takes 2 bytes of memory. And we have a byte data type. This takes 1 byte of memory. Long is used to represent integer type of data. Only integer type of data, that is whole numbers. Whole number. Now, to represent fractional data, decimal type of data, this float and double are used for decimal fraction. Example 12.5, 1922.75. Now we have integer. We have byte, short, int, long. Represent integer. The integer takes 4 bytes of memory. How much? Integer take 4 bytes of memory, and long take 8 bytes of memory, and short take 2 bytes of memory. You already know 1 byte equal to 8 bits. So you know this. So when we say the character take 2 bytes, this means it takes 16 bit. Integer takes 4 bytes. The range of number for integer is 2, 1, 4, 7, 4, 8, 3, 6, 4, 7. For positive number. You see, I am taking what? Positive. Is 2, 1, 4, 7, 4, 8, 3, 6, 4. This is the range of. This means around 2 billion. Short take 3, 2, 7, 6, 7 positive number and negative 3, 2, 7. It is a range for short. So you know when to take int and when to take short and long. If you have numeric figure, you're going to enter within the range of 2 billion, you take data type int. If it is around 32,767 to 32,768, you take short variable. More than 2 billion, you take long data. I hope you have understood the primitive data type. Now we comes to second part, that is a reference data type. We have reference data. Reference we call it non-primitive. We have array that we will study afterwards. It is a non-primitive type. String String class, combination of character enclosed in double quotation mark, is known as a string. The example of string is like any name, like you have written Amit. So Amit is written in double quotation mark, so it is a string. And when you want to represent more than one number, you use array. And then comes interface and classes. These are reference data type. We understood? So we have two types of data type in Java. One is primitive and non-primitive. And we have four types of integer: byte, short, int and long. And fractional, to represent we use float and double data type. I hope you understood. And next class we'll study about the scanner. Thank you.